So children, now in this video we will see and study the internal structure of the heart and its different components and other structures related to the heart. So internally, if we see, the heart is made up of 4 chambers. Now you can see the chambers. These are the 4 chambers of the heart: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. So the upper 2 chambers in the heart, the upper 2 chambers, these chambers are known as auricles or atria. Atrium is the singular, but atria is plural. So the upper 2 chambers are thin walled, smaller, and they are known as auricles or atria. And these chambers are known as receiving chambers. Fine. So in the heart there are 4 chambers. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, or it is also said that the heart of human is 4 chambered. And the upper 2 chambers, which are known as auricles, these chambers are thin walled, and the wall is elastic, and these chambers are known as receiving chambers. Fine. The lower 2 chambers are thick walled. These chambers are known as ventricles, and the ventricles are thick walled, elastic, and these chambers are known as ventricles. So now in this diagram, this is also the diagram of internal view of the heart, human heart, and that was the model which you were seeing. In this diagram also you can see the upper 2 chambers, which are auricle, and the lower 2 chambers, which are named as ventricles. So the ventricle which is present at the left side of the heart is left ventricle, and the ventricle which is present at the right side of the heart is right ventricle, and the auricle which is present the right side of the heart is right auricle, and likewise the left auricle. So in this heart you can see the chambers are entirely separated. How these chambers are entirely separated? I mean to say, the chambers which are having blood inside it, but you can see the 2 different colors. These 2 different colors are indicating the different types of blood. How the type of blood is different? The blue side of the heart is having deoxygenated blood, or you can say the blood rich in carbon dioxide, and the left side of the heart, which is having red color, this side of heart is filled with oxygenated blood. That means the blood is rich in oxygen. So you must be wondering how these 4 chambers are separated. So the chambers are separated. First of all, the right and left side of heart is separated by a membrane which is known as septum. You can see this membrane here. It is septum. So now this membrane is separating the left and right side of the heart, and the upper 2 chambers, which are auricles, and lower 2 chambers, which are ventricles, these chambers, upper 2 chambers, are separated from the lower 2 chambers by the valves. So children, in our next video we will talk about the valves and the different types of vessels which are opening or leaving the heart.